Alright guys, so I got this gnarly dent on my rear bumper, and it looks like it's previously been tried to fix because there's a whole bunch of Bondo. So I'm gonna try to take off all the Bondo and then pull out the bumper. Alright, after a couple minutes of chipping at it, I finally got all the Bondo out. It's all on the ground right here. Here's the biggest piece. We're gonna go ahead and get some hot water and try to hit this and pull it out. Oh, there you go. You guys, now that I fixed my rear bumper and pulled out this dent, we're gonna fix those holes and then add Bondo. If you guys want to see the repair on this, follow me and follow along. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today's the part 2 of fixing the rear bumper on the G35. We're gonna go ahead and patch up these holes that are everywhere on the bumper of the G35. So we're gonna start off by removing the whole rear bumper off of the car so we can get to the back. Now that we got the bumper off, let's go ahead and take it to the laboratory and get this shit fixed. Don't mind my Crocs. Alright, so we got the bumper off, and you still got this bump that's still not bent out all the way. We're gonna try to get a heat gun, heat that up, and bend it out. And now that we got that dent out, it looks better than it was. It's not so popped out anymore, so we don't have to do much on the outside. Now let's get started to fill up these holes. Now we got the backside welded up, and it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not the best job. This is my first time ever doing this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and sanded everything down a little bit, nothing too crazy, just to test it out. And it didn't come out too bad. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even tell where it was exactly. But I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything down now. But that's gonna be for part 3 of this video. You guys, stay tuned to when we sand everything down. This bumper is gonna be come out pretty good, not gonna lie. In my opinion, I think it's gonna come out better than what it was, but we will see. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so this is part 2 of repairing the bumper on the G35. Today we're gonna be sanding everything down, and specifically this area, to get it all nice and flat at least, and then we're gonna hit it with some Bondo, and then we'll go from there. And I also found out there's still a little dent right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. We're gonna go ahead and grab the heat gun and try to pop that out. And just like that, we got that side popped out now. So we're good to go. A little bit even more better and popped out. So let's continue. All right, you guys, so we're practically about done sanding it. Just gonna do a few more touch-ups off of camera. But you guys, look at this. Look at this. I know it's looking a little like, but it's looking better than it was. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. All different angles. Doesn't change. Sheesh. Alright guys, now it's time to add some Bondo and then off to paint, and we're almost done. We're almost done. We're this much closer to being done, but you guys, it's coming out good. See you in the next one. Peace. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to part numero 4 on rebuilding this bumper. I took a break because it had been raining for almost the past 2 weeks, and I've not gotten really a chance to work on this because I work on it outside and I can work on it in the rain. Now it's time to add some of this Bondo from AutoZone. Nothing too crazy, and let's get right into it. Sheesh, we got the first layer of Bondo on there. It isn't the greatest or smoothest, but I'm gonna sand it down, start shaping it. You guys, but let me get a different angle, because you know, maybe y'all don't believe me or something. Like, boy, like, look at this shit. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we're done with the sanding, the Bondo, everything. So now we're just gonna hit it with some primer. All right, you guys, we are done. Just look at that. Look at it. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? It's not bad. For my first time, it's not bad. There is cracks here and there, only due to the fact that I had to remove still the old paint, like I had said, but it is not bad. The only other little problem is there is a couple little bumps here and there, but I mean, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take those out, and I'm not gonna stuff it up with Bondo because that is the worst thing you ever want to do. So this is yeah, this is pretty good for my first time. I'm pretty happy about it. Now it's time to send it off to paint. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. All right, guys, so I finally got my bumper back. from the paint shop, and it came out pretty dope. And here it is. You guys check that out. Okay, so here's where that damage was. Now you can still see some wavy, like I had said. It's still wavy. It's not the best, but I mean, let's go ahead and put it on before the sun goes down. And here she is, all set and ready to go. Look at that. Oof. Compared to how it looked to now, sheesh, bro, this is a difference. I'm really excited because the car, like, it's come a long way. It's come a long way from the fender to the bumper. Like, it's really cool seeing it all like nice and tidied up. I really enjoy the car. Ooh, look at that, especially from far away. Hell yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching that 5-part series on fixing the rear bumper on the G35. It was really exciting and cool. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.